Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to show you how to make text appear behind objects in CapCut. Let's dive right in. First, import the video you want to work with into CapCut and drag it onto the timeline. Next, add your text. For instance, name it something relevant like 90 SecTech. Choose a font and color that suit your style, increase the size, and adjust the duration to match your video clip's length. Now let's layer your text behind an object. Begin by duplicating your video clip. Right, click on the clip, select Copy, and then paste it above the text layer. However, you can't place the clip directly over the text yet. To fix this, right-click on the text layer, choose Create Compound Clip, and then place your duplicated clip over this new compound. With your duplicate selected, go to the Basic Settings, scroll down to Layer, and select Layer 2. Then, head over to Remove BG and click Auto Removal. This process might take a few seconds. Your text will now seamlessly appear behind any object in the scene. And that's it. You've just learned how to put text behind objects using CapCut on your PC. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tutorials like this. See you in the next tutorial.